So, how am I going to install this little thingy in my shower without calling an expensive plumber? All you need for this home repair is a crescent wrench with smooth jaws and a roll of Teflon tape. To remove your shower head, turn it counterclockwise. It's important that your Teflon tape covers the threads and goes on in a clockwise direction. This will allow you to put the faucet on. About 2 layers will do. When you're done, pull. And here's the final step. Turn your wrench clockwise until it's snug. You'll feel it tighten. Don't over tighten. Great. Okay, here it is. Ah, yeah, it works. Yeah, gotcha.